We're going to do a brief video on Nvidia Stock, NVDA, and we've got a chart of Nvidia Corporation up here for you, a daily chart with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. So you can see Nvidia's been in a bear market since about November of 2022, still in a bear market below the 200, below the 20, and struggling with the 5-day moving average. We can see it came in and put in a new low yesterday at 103.13, and I'll show you a minute on the weekly chart what that means. But this stock's still below the 20-day, is struggling. It's still definitely selling off. And if we move over real quick to take a look at the weekly, we can see that this stock has not caught support on the weekly 200 week moving average. It's put in a new low here that I just discussed. Its next support is all the way down here at $45.17. Do I think it's going that low? No. Right this second, it's $113, roughly down 5%, down $6 on volume of about 19 million shares, a normal 57 million shares a day. So the stock is in a deep bear market. I don't think it's a $45 stock yet, but I think it's in trouble because it's violating pretty much all of its remaining support from previous price action. Let's take a look at the hourly chart real quick. We can see that from all the way back here to August 25th, this has always been below the hourly has always been below the 200-hour moving average. So this stock is just being sold off repeatedly, and you can see where it bounced off the 200-hour moving average back here in October 6th. So negative stock, not much positive to discuss with it. It's probably almost certainly going to go lower. In the near term, I would expect this stock to probably trade in a little bit of range here between this 120 and 108, somewhere around in there. I know that's a big range, but that's the closest I can get to it right this second. But that's what it's doing. It's trading in a range here, and it's probably going to break back down. Now, is it possible that this 114.95 is a bottom? It's possible. I don't think it's a great analysis to call that a definitive bottom yet. It's too soon. I don't really see anything great about this stock. If we're back now on a daily chart, we are extremely far away from this 200-day moving average. So is it conceivable this stock could rally up to the 150s to try to narrow that gap before it headed back down? Yes, I think that's probably a good bet, but that's probably another month off to get a good rally out of this stock up to the 150s if it ever happened at all. In order for that to happen, we'd have to get price above the 20-day. You can see it has not been above the 20-day in terms of maintaining itself above the 20-day since August 26th. So we need to, and even then it really didn't do anything until before, around August 17th was its peak there. So we need to get above the 20-day, above the 5-day, and start to rally the stock to get to the 150s. Whether it's going to happen or not is too early to tell. But right now, bear market stock continues to sell off on the daily, the weekly, and the hourly charts, all negative. Let's take a look at RBM Research to see what they think. This stock, Nvidia Stock, today is showing zeros all the way across, which means the algorithm did not think it was a good day to buy, and it looks like it hit it correct today. The stock's currently down 5%, so it looks like that was a good try. If you'd like to get access to all of our algorithmically generated entry prices every morning before 7 a.m., you can do that at rbmresearch.com. We cover 190 plus stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. All free, no credit card required. You can get them at rbmresearch.com by following the link in the description below. Just put in your email when you get there and you get immediate access. Again, no credit card required, and it's all free. Everything you've seen and heard on here, including our entry prices and our analysis, is for entertainment purposes only. You should always do your own analysis. Can't use our information for anything but entertainment, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment, please leave us a comment in the comment section below.